Hello, from this is my first tutorial actually. I'm working with this Honda Civic of mine, and as you can see, the problem here is now as soon as I switch on my switch, all the sensors are working, the lights are working, all those things are working, but when I start my engine, it sounds like this. It cranks, but it does not start. So today we are going to fix my Honda, and what we are going to do is, first we have to identify the problem. The thing here is, as you can see, the engine cranks, but the problem here is it's never in the engine, but we should get a close look at the petrol. The petrol pump is not properly working. Normally when I switch on the engine, I can hear a beeping sound like from the back of my car under the seat, the back seat, like here. But now it's not coming because the petrol pump is not working properly. Today we are going to get the petrol pump out and replace it to see what's going to happen. Stay tuned.